Okay, so go ahead and turn the first tile over. What letter is that?
A.
Okay, what does an A sound like? And what picture is that?
An alligator.
Okay, so here's your app, Halo AR. So you're going to download the app, okay? And then you're going to have a picture on our table. So if I put a barcode right here on this, it would take you to the collection, and you would have more letters that you would go over, okay? You understand? Okay. Go ahead and scan it. And what do you see?
Whoa!
So what do you see?
I see an actual
Tell me how that is better than the tiles.
Well, you actually get a sense of what you are looking at. It's not going to be so distracting. It's also a new way to learn. Not just about letters, but about how other things doing while you're learning about the letters.
Hi, my name is Dr. Doctor. I have a doctorate in doctoral studies of all things doctrinal. So today I am here to discuss Colin Wilson's research project for WySTACK. The research started off with 3 questions. 1, can we use a VR activity to determine someone's dominant hand? Number 2, can the data collected during that activity be used to determine whether a human or non-human person is using the VR? And number 3, could that data actually be used to identify unique individuals? So the experiment starts off by having 5 blocks that will be arranged, one and then one on each side, then one over here, one over here. So the 5 blocks will end up being put into a target elsewhere in the experiment. And by examining the position of the blocks as they're being moved, we are able to determine whether it's a person or a machine moving the blocks. So we're going to take the data, the XYZ coordinates for the movement, and we'll also gather rotation and time for each one of these data points. Then we will plot all of these things. Now, once they are plotted, we should be able to see if a specific model fits the data, such as a linear path or a parabolic path or even an exponential or something like that. So if we can make a model, then we would be able to determine whether or not a specific person is using this by how closely they stick to the model. All of this is being built in Unity and run on VR headsets like the Oculus 2.